Welcome to CPAPmachines.ca. Today we are unboxing the AirSense 10 Auto package so you know what to expect when you make a purchase from us. Let's open the package up. Alright, let's take everything out. And these are the items that you will find. First, you will see your invoice. You'll find some postcards. This is the actual AirSense 10 Auto unit. When you open the package, you will find the actual machine, the humidifier chamber that goes on the side, the power supply is here, and the standard tubing is hidden over here in the zipper pocket. You will find the heated tubing over here, your choice of mask. In this case, it is the P10 nasal pillow mask, your replacement filters, and a mask wipe. And these are all the items that you'll find in the AirSense 10 Auto package. Shop more at CPAPmachines.ca.